What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome back with another video, guys. This is the welding machine, guys. Good morning, good morning. All right, guys, don't forget, you guys that are subscribed, thank you guys for watching. Keep running up the watch time and the views and the likes and thumbs up, even the comments on the video. Much appreciated. The welding machine. Now, for you 97.5% people that are watching that are not subscribed to my channel, we need to do something about that. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button, guys. Just hit it. It's like right there. You can't miss it. You see it every time. It's at the end of the video. Just hit it. Smash it. Smash it. Just smash it. Just like AlphaTIG 200. I think I burnt it up years back because I touched the TIG torch to the machine and it arced. So we're gonna see if it still works. We got the back of the machine, you know, it's got paint and everything else on it. Primer, sand, dust. That's what the front looks like. Old school. It's got an air-cooled torch. We got our, I'm gonna flip you guys around. So this is what we're using right here to grind our tungsten. It's the old Harbor Freight bench grinder. We just use that for tungsten only, nothing else. Here's our tungsten box where we got all our different kind of cups, gas lenses, regular lenses. We got our aluminum, steel. We got our old pure green tungsten, which you're supposed to switch it out to something else. I can't remember what it is. But here's the machine. We had this machine since 2015. It's dusty, it's old, it still works. And it's got a foot pedal and a trigger switch. We hooked up a trigger switch for it, for aluminum. I mean, we can do the foot pedal too. I got it still. I just got to dig it out somewhere. But guys, you know, we are doing big things out here in the welding machine industry. See if we can't get it to focus on my face. Dang, that's a lot of sunlight. There we go. We got big things coming, guys. I'll show them. BRG beats. Matter of fact, you give me a couple of intro beats, I can advertise for you. Alright guys, the welding machine, we've been at this for a little bit. I haven't done welding in a long, well, TIG welding in a long time. So bear with me as I try to get it all back. It's been a while. We're gonna show you guys. There we go. Shove that wire in there and we're TIG welding. I mean, there's still potential in there. Maybe I should turn my hands down. Let's try pulse. Ooh. 120 hertz. Guys, by the way, I'm by no means a professional at aluminum welding. We're just doing some practices. Some practice run-throughs just to see what we got. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I can do outside corners. Probably be better with a foot pedal. Let's try. Do I have what it takes to be a welder? I hope so. Cause man, this is hard work. Gotta get back. Foot pedal time. This is me messing around. I can do open corner. I can do open corner joint. All right, let's see what steel got for me. I'm gonna like the feel of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and run it, weld all the way around. Alright guys, so we're back under natural lighting and I'm going to show you how unperfect the welding machine is. I can do I can do MIG, flux core, stick welding, some TIG and welding, pretty decent. But when you be out of practice for a long time, you can tell on yourself, oh, and I can do spool gun. But so we're gonna talk, guys. This is called today's gonna be Shop Talk Tuesday, maybe a new series, maybe. I don't know. Leave a like, leave a comment, what you think. All right, so I'm gonna show you some ugly, hideous welds that I would never leak out online. All right, we're gonna start with the aluminum first. All right, so remember, guys, I haven't done TIG welding in a long time. I think the last time I did TIG welding was when I TIG welded some brackets on the box. And that's steel. So that's an exception. Spool gun ruined my life when it comes to TIG welding. Don't spool gun, guys. You would realize way easier, quicker, takes less skill. A monkey can do it. A monkey can MIG weld. MIG welding is not really that hard at all. I can teach anybody how to MIG weld. Almost anybody. Alright, so we're going to turn you guys around and show you these hideous welds. There you go. You see that? Not bad in the beginning. Alright, so from here to here I did pulse. Okay. And from here to the end to about right there, I did leg wire technique. So where I just laid the wire in and ran over top of it, didn't have no pulse or nothing. It's just all normal, which don't look bad. I mean, if I practice, flip around. If I keep practicing, I'll get back to where I was once before. If I don't practice, it's gonna always look like that, like crap. So I'm gonna be real with you guys. I haven't been TIG welding in a long time. I'm mad at myself because I got the skill to do it. It's just getting back into it. Instead, I'm so used to squeezing the trigger, burning the stick rod. No, I just gotta get back into the aluminum weld. Right here, you see that? That's some good welding. Some good coverage right there. That's some good, not as much undercut on the bottom or top of the washer. It's not bad. Just that little section. Now if you go over here, it's still not bad, decent. And then right up in here is undercut. Everything was clean, but again, I'm not a professional at TIG welding. I'm trying to get back into it, as you guys can see by this video. So right up in here, I see I got major undercut, so that's either too much heat, and I did not use a foot pedal, I used the trigger, just point the trigger and shoot and go. We're gonna do some more scratch start. We're gonna do some scratch start TIG off the generator too here in the next couple of videos. But that's what we got going on. You don't practice, you lose it. How's it go? If you practice, you keep it. If you don't practice, you lose it, or something like that. But anyways, guys, this has been a great video. It's just been testing and welding and trying to figure out my skill set, because I'm trying to branch out away from MIG welding and stick welding and doing some more maybe pharmaceutical stuff, maybe some aluminum, maybe something more than what I'm doing now. And so you guys stay tuned and come with me through my journey. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not perfect. Hit that subscribe button if you're practicing. Hit that like button if you like the content and the videos that I put out for you guys. Hit that like button if you like the quality that I'm putting out to you guys. Just hit that. We're all the same. We're all the same. Some people weld better than others in some processes than the other person. But it don't matter. We're all here to learn. We're all here to get better. And we're all here to build each other up. This has been the Welding Machine. You guys have a great and blessed day.